Hello everyone, welcome to SR Sunrise. I'm Yassine and today I'll introduce a shower system that we have here. We packaged the whole shower system in a hard cardboard box, as you can see here. And everything is completely protected by pure cotton. This shower system is all metal and these protective devices are essential to avoid collisions in transit. The first item that we have in the box is the installation manual. As you can see here, it is essential for assisting you, which covers the installation steps of each part and provides the plumber with detailed reading before installation. On the second page, you can have the cUPC certification. The entire shower system has cUPC certification in line with the requirements of the entire North American code. There's no need to worry about your contractor or plumber rejecting this shower system. The manual has the contact information of 24/7 online customer service team. If there's any problem during the installation process, you can contact them at any time. Next on the list is the rain shower head. It is packaged in a white drawstring bag to avoid scratching. It's also made out of 304 stainless steel, as you can see here. It's available in 8, 10, 12, and 16 sizes. Next, we'll look at the shower valve. The valve body is made of solid brass. The valve has hot and cold water connection. Pipes suitable for connection including PEX, PVC, copper pipe. The valve body is also equipped with the pressure balanced shower cartridge that has scald prevention function, ensures safety shower for you and your family. Here we also have the shower hose at 71 inches long. I'm going to try to stretch it out for you so you can see. It's long enough for most people. The hose is made of 304 stainless steel with high density that can withstand high water pressure, and it's not easily ruptured. It is soft and does not tangle. You can get it at custom length by contacting customer service. This is the adjustable shower bracket. As you can see here, try to open it on the camera. And the first item that we have two items here in the box. The first one is the shower bracket. Try to unpack it here for you. And as you can see here, we can adjust the angle of the handheld shower as we wish. Just for your knowledge, if the thread is not long enough, we can customize it or give away 1-inch adapter. Next on the list, we have also this cover. It's a decorative cover, as you can see here. If the opening is too large, we can customize the size of the decorative cover. Next part is the handle and the knob. In this little box here, we'll try to unpack it. And the first item that comes up is the handle. As you can see here, this handle is used to switch on and off and control hot and cold water. We also have here the squared knob, as you can see here. It is used for switching between rain shower and handheld shower. Please refer to your manual often. And now it's time for the faceplate. This is the faceplate for valve. Try to unpack it here, as you can see. It has two rubber rings for seal and waterproof function, as you can see here on the camera. Next is the wall-mounted shower arm, as you can see here. Let's take a look at it. This wall-mounted is 16 inches long, as you can see. Long enough. It can also be customized to a specific length. If you need to change the installation mode to ceiling mount, we can offer the ceiling-mounted shower arm at 3, 6, 8, and 12 inches. And this is the cover plate for shower arm. Take a look at it. As you can see, it's very smooth. Next, we also have the handheld shower head. As you can see here, let's take a look at it. The built-in check valve prevents backflow, and it complies with the pipeline regulation codes of many cities in the United States of America. Last on the list is the accessories bag, as you can see here. This is the accessories bag required for installation. It has gloves, Teflon tape, set screws, spray rain shower head, silicone nozzles, etc. In case of loss or damage, please feel free to contact our customer service. These are all the components of the shower system, included in the box. All fittings are in line with the North American NPT 1-2 standard thread. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact 24/7 online customer service. We'll be happy to hear from you. Looking forward to your inquiry.